I grew up in Guadeloupe, and so most of my culture will come from French Caribbean, so all them things. The way we used to live at the time, like everybody does, open for everybody enjoying the food and everything else. So I get every culture or everything from that. As well, I want to make it like a message for other people, because like most people, when you say Guadeloupe, they will think like, we're in Africa. No, it's not in Africa. It is in the Caribbean, and it's French Caribbean. So they won't know it if it's people that don't travel, because it's not an English island, it's a French island. So for that, if I want to educate them about the Caribbean. Yes, boy, wagwan.
Greetings.
Anyway, that was on French Caribbean, but anyway, let's go.
Mr. JP, just perfect, right? So we're gonna go into an interview. I'm gonna ask you a few questions, right?
Yes, go on.
So JP, introduce yourself, not the founder of Full Feast, but you, the man.
Okay, JP, introduce yourself. Okay, let me introduce JP to you. Hi, JP. I'm from Guadeloupe, but I live in UK, and that make me a multicultural person with care, and that's pretty much my introduction. To know more about me, you have to follow me. Big up.
All right, so if they're following you from where?
Full Feast.
All right, which social media, so that people know where to follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook,
TikTok, right?
TikTok.
All of them. Okay.
All of them. So I'm here.
So, all right, so people know now, yeah? So where are you from? What's your culture? Your relationship with food growing up?
I'm from Guadeloupe. Guadeloupe, actually, I was born in Guadeloupe. My mom from Dominica, so technically I'm from Guadeloupe, Dominica, but I grew up in Guadeloupe. And so most of my culture will come from French Caribbean, so all them things. The way we used to live at the time, like everybody does, open for everybody enjoying the food and everything else. So I get every culture or everything from that and something like that.
Okay. What's the meal or sauce that marked you for life?
It marked me for life. The meal that marked me for life is the one I choke on. I'm not joking about that, but anyway, back when we got like a dish we call colombo, like chicken colombo, but it's like a chicken curry, completely different than the one they do in the UK. The flavors, you can try to make it, but you can't do the same thing. You have to go back home or to France to get it. So this was like necessity to have, and that's the thing that marked me when I moved to UK, because I couldn't have my flavors from back home.
And when you reach UK, you start chasing this flavor to get it back, right? Okay. And that's where everything started, probably. Full Feast.
Yeah, something like that.
So the day you decided to create Full Feast, what exactly happened?
The thing with Full Feast, when I create Full Feast, because like when I go back home, I always get like the flavors or something like that, and I always bring it back. When I say back home, Guadeloupe, so I always bring it back, some of the flavors or something like that, to the UK. But then it finished. So now all the flavor, all the memories, everything just gone, because I can't get it. So I will have to go back either to France or to Guadeloupe to get it. So from that, I say like, why can I make that come to me in the UK? So from that, I create that business and say like, I might as well have it home, because Guadeloupe is my home and UK is my home. So let's make both one home. And from that, I say, okay.
That was your business plan?
That was the business plan.
Okay. So why a sauce? Why not a restaurant or a cookbook or anything else?
Well, why a restaurant? A restaurant stay one place. Some people will know it, some people don't know it. The sauce can go places.
Travels.
And as well, I want to make it like a message for other people, because like most people, when you say Guadeloupe, they will think like, we're in Africa. No, it's not in Africa. It is in the Caribbean, and it's French Caribbean. So they won't know it if it's people that don't travel, because it's not an English island, it's a French island. So for that, if I want to educate them about the Caribbean, because it's not just Jamaica is in the Caribbean, or St. Lucia, or Barbados, or you got Martinique, you got Saint Martin, you got Guadeloupe, they are French Caribbean, and you got like Saint telling me is Spanish. So in the Caribbean, we got different languages like English, Spanish, French. So they need to be educated. So I will make my part to make the education on the Caribbean.
So you are making the sauce to travel. People travel.
So they know.
All right. So what is Full Feast to you? You know, a product, a message, a movement. What is Full Feast for you?
Well, Full Feast starting as a product as well. Not really a product because I wanted it, but I said like I might as well do it to share it with people. But then, like I say, like people don't really know the French Caribbean. So I make it my duty to educate everybody. So I make that a movement. So now it become a movement to educate people about the French Caribbean because they only know the English Caribbean.
So from a product, it became a message. You're moving towards a movement. Now, I have a last question for you, right? Do you have a dream collabs, like a chef, an artist, anything else?
Well, yes and no, but at the same time, like I won't mind. I would love to work with other people, but people who got heart, not for a refinement of what they're doing, but heart on what they do. So like people with heart who cook, they put more flavors in it than people who just cook just for the benefit of it. So yeah, we try to work with people like that. But if it's not people like that, hey, walk out. I don't want you. You know what I mean? You know, you have to be serious. What? Get lost.
You need passionate people.
You have to be passionate. If you're not passionate, me don't want to know ya.
All right, thanks a lot, JP, for that. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Just perfect. Yeah, and you know,
I just waiting to my Drake loss to come as well. You know.
And the next one is we are going and myself to get this sauce and and travel. Yeah.
Yeah, you need to try them because they are beautiful.
And
they are
tasty.
beautiful.
Tasty, right?
Yeah, beautiful and tasty. Oh, the taste is like heaven on earth.
Flavor.
Flavory.
All right. You know what? I ain't gonna get it straight away.
No, I need to go because like now I got my mouth is watering, so I need to cook something. So I need to leave you because the food, the sauces make me watery now. All right.
I'm staying there. All right.